I have painted or drawn many works that I have not been happy with. These pieces usually end up getting painted over or never seen again. However, I do take a picture of the finished artwork and save them in a rejected folder for myself. This past week I painted such a painting. It was a photograph I took several years ago during a vacation the family took. Probably the last one where we shared a room. Much to my son and daughter's protest, they shared a bed, and one morning their positions in bed prompted me to take a photo. Now, knowing that they were not happy about the arrangement explains a lot about the composition, but what if I didn't tell you the story? It might look like something different to someone else. So I started painting with their composition on the bed as the focus of the painting. I didn't want to do the background the same and figured something would come to me later. It did, which was a wall and a window, and I didn't like it after I painted it. I decided to photograph the painting for my reject folder and move on to something else. Now, as I was cataloging it in my rejected folder, I started looking at some of the other paintings that ended up with the same fate. It was like they were missing something. Then it came to me. I recalled what a wise artist once said to me jokingly, I think. He said, "If you think it's missing something, then add a red tin toy monkey in the corner." My painting of Girl on the Dock became On the Dock in Bed. My Desert Journey painting became Desert Journey in Bed. And my Old House painting became Old House in Bed. It's not a red tin toy monkey, but it makes them look a little more interesting nevertheless.